Believe it or not, the bolts for this track arm are tight, so I gotta fix this. So I am getting a lot of movement in the track arm bracket on my 99 Jeep XJ, and I even tried to combat that in the past by replacing the track arm and bracket with a Rubicon Express track arm and bracket, and it also has a brace that goes over the frame rail, the other frame rail, to stabilize it. But yet I am still getting a lot of movement again, and so I'm going to take it apart and see why, and see if maybe I can fix this thing. I've already taken most of the track arm bracket bolts out, but I'm going to get this track arm off and this brace going over the other side. This crossbar that I'm removing now is not a stock XJ part, but it is a bar that comes in a Rubicon Express track arm kit, and the bar ties the frame rails together. So you put the bracket up in here, and you can see these holes are cut oblong. This makes it for easier install, but it's also allowing it to move. And so what I think I'm going to do is fill in the top part of these holes with some weld or something and make it to where it can't move. And then if I do a frame stiffener later, I can just notch them back out and be good to go. Here is the track arm bracket, and I think what I'm going to do, because it's sliding up and down on the mounts, and I have them tight, but it's just so much force when you turn the tires. There's just too much force. So what I'm going to do, and hopefully it'll work, I'm going to weld these washers into place, and then that should keep it from being able to move at all. It should lock it solid. So yep, put a washer here and a washer here, and then hopefully we'll not be able to move anymore. We'll see. Okay, so I've tacked them in place, and I've had to cut them off a couple of times actually just to get it just right. I've mocked it up on the Jeep, so now I think I have them just where I want them, so I'm going to weld them in place tight. So I thought I had it fixed, but after about an hour or so of wheeling, it seemed to be making the noise again. Didn't seem to be that bracket though moving anymore, and so the sound is now coming from somewhere else. And so I guess when I find it, I'll report what I find.